Good morning, boys and girls. This week, instead of our normal Rooted in Reading book that we normally read, we're going to read this short story from our social studies curriculum. This is The Mystery of the Missing Strawberries. So, let's see if we can figure out the mystery. It's Saturday and time for strawberry pancakes. Tina and her dad are going to buy some strawberries. They walk to the fruit market down the street. "I do not have any strawberries today," says Tony, who owns the market. "I guess it's that cold weather we had last month." He loves talking about the weather and about the fruits and vegetables he sells. "What are we going to do?" asked Tina. "We have to find strawberries. We always have fresh strawberry pancakes on Saturdays at this time of year." "Let's go to Greenway," says her father. "It's a bigger store. They should have strawberries." Tina and her dad walk back home. They take the car and drive to Greenway. They see oranges and grapes. They see apples and bananas. But they do not find strawberries. A worker at the store says, "Sorry, no strawberries were delivered yesterday." Tina's dad thinks about his friend Joe, who drives a truck. He wonders if Joe will know why the stores don't have any strawberries. He tells Tina not to worry. "We'll go to the superstore by the mall. I'm sure they'll have strawberries. They have everything." By now, Tina is getting a little hungry. She thinks about her mom. Finding strawberries never took so long. Tina and her dad ask about strawberries at the superstore. "There aren't any," a lady buying oranges said. "I was looking for strawberries last week. They were out then too." "I can't believe this," says Tina's dad. "What's going on?" On the way home, Tina and her dad talk about why the stores don't have any strawberries. "We've had a lot of rain the past few days. Maybe it's been too muddy to pick strawberries," says Tina. "I read that strawberries cost a lot this year. Maybe that's why the stores aren't buying them," Tina's dad says. "I wonder what Mom will think," says Tina. "Let's ask her." When they got home, Tina's mom asks the first question, "Where are the strawberries?" "That's what we want to know," says Tina. "I know where I can get some strawberries," says her mom. Tina is surprised. "You do?" she asks. We all look over. "There are no strawberries. We looked all over. Where will you find them?" Tina's mom opens the freezer. She takes out a bag of strawberries. "I put these in the freezer last month," she says. "This would be a good time to use them. We can still have strawberry pancakes for breakfast." And that is the end of the mystery so far as we know. What do you think is going on with the strawberries? Do you ever have a problem finding strawberries at the store if you go grocery shopping with Mom or Dad? Could it be the rain? Could it be the trucks haven't delivered? Could it be they weren't able to grow very many strawberries this year? Write down what you think is the mystery of the strawberries. How can we solve it? Have a great day, boys and girls.